Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can make a Discord server, how you can create channels, and etc. So first of all, what I need you to do is go to your Discord, and from here you click on this plus icon. So click on add server. Here you choose if you want to start from a template, so for example a gaming template, school club or study club, or you create your own. For example, if you create your templates for me and my friends, and here you name the server, that will be already a template for you. So there is general, this is clips and highlight, there is a lobby which is a voice chat, and here is the gaming which is a voice chat as well. So if you want to create your own from scratch, so you can just delete this by going here. Let's delete it real quick by removing it. So let's write this out in here and let's create our own. So now deleted it, we click here, create my own, and let's choose it for me and my friends, and let's name it just slowly so it will be easy to delete later on. And just like that, here's the simple template that they gave you. Now there's only one voice chat and there's one text channel. So what you could do to add more, you can just click in here, new channel, you choose whether you want it to be a text or voice. So let's add the voice, and here you name the channel, so gaming area. You make it private or not from here and create a channel, and here it is. How you can actually make roles, so you can add roles by going to here, you can go to server settings, and from server settings you go to roles in here. Here you can create a new role, you give it a name, you give it a color, and you go down, you give it permissions from there, and yeah, you give it whatever permissions you want it to be in, that's it. And to give other people like roles, you can just right click on them, check on role, and if there is any role you can give it to them. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.